Hello kitchen dwellers, welcome back. This is the first video we are putting up after the re-editing process has begun. As I was preparing the contents for re-editing, a difficult question was before me. Should the chicken come first or the egg come first? And in this case, the answer is the egg will come first, so we have our first egg video. It has been always tricky to get eggs to be boiled to the perfect doneness, so instead we will be steaming them for the optimal texture. Better yet, the ovens will do it for us. We can utilize either the Miele built-in steamer or the combination steam oven to satisfy our hunger for eggs. So first we need to select an egg or a couple of dozens of eggs, whichever you prefer. Then we go to the menu cooking function and select menu cooking, and then eggs, and choose the appropriate size. Seems like we have medium-sized eggs here. Then we select the doneness that we are looking for, whether it's soft, medium, or hard-boiled. We will be doing all three for the purpose of demonstrating in this video. And now, after a few minutes of waiting eagerly for some yummy goodness of eggs, we are welcomed with a bunch of eggs. Now the remaining thing to do is just to peel them. Simply shock these eggs with some ice water like so, for an easier peeling process, and knock some crack in the shell with the back of a spoon if you're doing soft or medium eggs. Rest them for a couple more moments and begin peeling away. You will notice a few things about steamed eggs that are just perfect and slightly different from regular boiled eggs. First, of course, you don't have to really time anything because the ovens are timing it for you. And then, by preparing your eggs this way, the soft and medium boiled eggs are much easier to peel compared to their boiled counterparts, and the hard-boiled egg's shell pretty much just falls right off by itself. This has to do with the eggs being stationary and not moving around, so the membrane between the egg whites and the shell is intact when you begin peeling them. Also, the eggs will taste better. The same stationary and non-movement of the eggs will affect the proteins in the egg white as well. When the proteins are setting more evenly, it tastes better and less rubbery. Lastly, you will be welcomed with this, a perfect soft, medium, or hard-boiled egg to your liking. Prepare just a couple for treats, or even better, steam a few dozen or something for parties. You can make deviled eggs and egg salads, or later I will be uploading a video that teaches you how to make a big batch of the Japanese aji tamago, so look out for those. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope we were able to share some Miele knowledge while entertaining you. Feel free to explore other videos and other appliances, or explore our other forms of social media for current contents. Thank you.